Welcome to the new Tadabase layouts. In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about using the new layouts. Layouts are designed to give your app a structure around navigation and overall appearance. Let's dive in. When creating a new layout, you'll be greeted with options to select a pre-built layout structure. Give your layout a name and click Save. At this time, once a layout is chosen, it can't be changed to a new design. The layout will start with some default menus and settings, which can all be personalized to your needs. All changes to the layout are managed from the right pane, and each layout will have its own unique set of configurable options. You can enable or disable any layout setting by toggling the switch for the particular setting. Each setting can also have its own unique user access control settings. You can choose to only show it based on users being logged in, and even logged in as a specific user role. To preview how the layout will appear based on users being logged in, change the Preview option at the top. You can also see how the layout will appear in different screen sizes here. Let's look at some of the configurations we can set here. In the Logo and Layout color sections, you can define your brand identity so it resembles your company's style. The menus enable you to customize the navigation with several options. Links are hard-coded to an internal or external page. With all menu items, you can choose custom display permissions to only show it for users who are logged in or belong to certain roles. You can also customize the icon and whether the click should open in a new window. The page navigation is a dynamic menu that will guide your users to a specific page in the app. The setting has the added feature of showing the page in a pop-up with custom pop-up headers and footers. The user action menu type enables you to add a logout action. If you want the login action, use the page type with a link to any page that has the login component. You'll notice several other menu settings like notification icon, alert icon, or settings menu. These act the same as regular menus, but are placed in different parts of the layout. Keep in mind, each layout published might have a unique set of menus. The user menu is a menu type designed to work seamlessly with logins, profile, and logging users out. By default, you'll see this user menu as a non-logged in user, which you can choose the icon and which page contains the login component. To see the menu settings as a logged in user, change the preview at the top to logged in user. When a user is logged in, you can choose to show an image field if the user's table has an attachments field with their profile image. If you disable it, the menu will show their name. You can then customize any of the menus that will appear in the dropdown for this logged-in user. This works exactly the same like the other menus we discussed earlier. Next, let's look at the search bar. The search bar works in conjunction with the search component and lets you add a search feature at the layout level that will direct the user to a specific page and initiate a search. You'll need to ensure the search component on this page is configured to use a predefined URL parameter that matches what you enter in the settings here. To take the layout to the next level, you can add logged-in user variables, as well as app variables in any menu title or text input field. For example, suppose in the users table, you have a field that shows how many open tasks the user has. You can add that value into the menu by using curly brackets with the text of logged in user.fieldName. That wraps up this video on the new layouts. Look out for many new layouts coming soon, and as always, please keep the feedback coming.